Morning students, welcome to Geography class, Unit 2, Tourism. Today's topic is wildlife and bird sanctuaries. India has many states. Each state possesses dark forest, dense forest, grassland, flora and fauna. These forests give shelter to many birds and animals such as Royal Bengal tigers, Indian lions, elephants, rhinoceros, Indian leopard and reptiles. Due to diverse climate of India, many birds feed, breed and nurture their young ones in the Indian bird sanctuaries. These are the major attraction for the tourist. Wildlife sanctuaries in India: Madumalai Wildlife Sanctuary, Tamil Nadu; Kaziranga National Park, Assam; Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan; Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh; Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal; Gir National Park, Gujarat; Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Karnataka; Periyar National Park, Kerala; Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Bird sanctuaries in India: Kuntakulam Bird Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu; Kumarakam Bird Sanctuary in Kerala; Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Rajasthan; Mayani Bird Sanctuary, Maharashtra; Uppalapadu Bird Sanctuary, Andhra Pradesh; Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary, Gujarat; Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh. Beaches. Our country India has 7,517 kilometers long coastline bounded by Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. It is filled with flora and fauna. Lush backwater in the lagoons of Kerala and picturesque beaches of Goa. And let us learn about the beaches of India. Dhanushkodi in Tamil Nadu; Bharkala Beach in Kerala; Tarkarli Beach in Maharashtra; Om Beach in Karnataka; Aguda Beach in Goa; Merari Beach in Kerala. Tourist attraction in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different tourist attractions such as religious centers, spiritual retreat centers, beaches, hill stations, waterfalls, wildlife, art, culture, architecture, crafts, heritage monuments, etc. The state earns the highest income from the tourism of India. Religious tourism. Tamil Nadu is known as the land of temples. It has 33,000 ancient temples of Dravidian architecture style. Now let us learn about the few temples. Tanjore Big Temple, Madurai Meenakshi Temple, Rameshwaram Ramantana Swami Temple, temples of Kanchipuram, Velankani Mada Church and Nagore Dargah. Hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is situated in the southern end of the Western and Eastern Ghats. It has several hill stations. Few of those are Ooty, Erkard, Ellagiri, Kodaikanal, Kottagiri, Veliangiri, Koli, Anamalai, Meghamalai and Javadi. Waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. mountains and rivers of Tamil Nadu combined together and created many waterfalls. The famous waterfalls of Tamil Nadu are Hongekal Waterfalls, Kumbakarai Falls, Monkey Falls, Kiluyur Falls, Kotralam, Agaya Gangai and Surali Falls. Wildlife and bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Let me list out few of those. Wildlife sanctuaries. Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary in Nilagiri, Munandurai Wildlife Sanctuary, Tirunelveli, Point Kalimar Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagapattinam, Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary in Coimbatore, Kalakkad Wildlife Sanctuary in Tirunelveli. Bird sanctuaries in Tamil Nadu. Let me list out few of those. Vettangudi Birds Sanctuary in Sivagangai, Karaivetti Birds Sanctuary in Eriyalur, Velod Birds Sanctuary in Erode, Vedandangal Birds Sanctuary in Kanchipuram. National parks in Tamil Nadu. Let me list out few of those. Ginte National Park, Chennai, Gulf of Mannar Marine Park, Ramananthapuram, Indira Gandhi National Park, Coimbatore, Mukurthi National Park, Nilgiris, Mudumalai National Park, Nilgiris. Beaches in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, being a coastal state in India, it consists of several beaches. Some of those are world famous tourist spots. Beach is a lovely place to hang around with friends, families and kids. Let me list out few of those beaches. Kollam Beach, Kanchipuram, small fishing village. Marina Beach, Chennai, second longest urban beach. Kanyakumari Beach, multicolored sand. Rameswaram Beach, waveless beach. Eloit Beach, Chennai, beautiful beach, active in day and night. Mahabalipuram Beach, Kanchipuram, architectural and archaeological beach. Silver Beach, Kodalur, water sports is the entertainment. Muttukadu Beach, Kanchipuram, calm and shallow. Environmental impact of tourism. The tourism industry created many positive and negative impacts on the environment. Positive impacts: direct financial contributions, contributions to government revenues, improved environmental management and planning, increased environmental awareness, protection and preservation of environment. Negative impacts: depletion of natural resources, water resources, local resources and land degradation. Pollution: air and noise pollution, solid waste and littering, and sewage. Destruction and alteration of ecosystem, air, water and soil. Dear students, we have completed Geography Unit 2, Tourism. To outline, in this lesson we have learnt about components of tourism, types of tourism, basic elements of tourism, hill stations, waterfalls, wildlife and bird sanctuaries, beaches in Tamil Nadu, and environmental impact of tourism. Thank you, students, for listening to my class.